In this video, I'm going to show you how to find birthdays on Facebook quickly and easily. If you've ever wanted to check upcoming birthdays so you can send a message, post on someone's timeline, or just keep track of friends and family, this simple method will help. And if you find this tutorial useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tech videos like this. Let's jump right in. First, open Facebook in your browser and log into your account. You can do this on a laptop or desktop, and the steps are very similar on most modern browsers. Once you're signed in, you'll be taken to your Facebook home feed. Now look at the menu on the left side of the screen. Facebook usually shows shortcuts and sections there, including things like your feed, groups, pages, memories, and more. You want to find the birthdays option. If you do not see it right away, don't worry. Facebook often hides some options in the menu, so just click See More to expand the full list. After you expand the menu, look again for Birthdays. It should appear as a separate option in the left-hand sidebar. Once you see it, click on it. Facebook will open the Birthdays page, where you can view birthdays that are coming up or happening today. This is the fastest way to find birthdays on Facebook without searching through profiles one by one. It's a great feature if you want to stay connected and never miss an important date. Depending on your account and Facebook layout, the exact position of the birthdays option may look slightly different, but it should always be somewhere in the left menu or inside the See More section. If you still can't find it, take a moment to scroll through the left sidebar slowly and make sure you're logged into the correct account. Sometimes Facebook changes the layout, but the birthdays page is usually still available from the menu. Once you click it, you're done. And that's how you find birthdays in Facebook in just a few seconds. I hope this helped you out. If it did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more easy Facebook tutorials, step-by-step guides, and quick social media tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.